Meet the model train set of the future. Introducing RoboRails, the robot monorail system. Build your own balancing robot and monorail track. A motorized gyroscope keeps your robot from falling over as it glides along. The full-color manual guides you through a step-by-step assembly of your robot. Then choose from 26 unique track configurations, or create your own from over 80 parts. See your robot demonstrate important physics concepts in action, like rotational motion, acceleration, and angular momentum. Plus, find out how these principles are an integral part of the development of real monorails. Get rolling with RoboRails for young engineers ages 8 and up with help, or 12 and up for independent play. From Thames and Kosmos.